Hello guys, Ram Ramji, good morning all of you. This side Chaudhry Pavan Solot and welcome here on Mission IT Education. And today's class is going on the topic of networking. All the networking commands whether it used in the Linux as well as the Windows. So we focus on the different kinds of commands. So first we move forward towards the Windows command. After that we go towards the Linux also. And as well as we do practicals in different concepts of networking commands. That commands is very useful in hacking as well as different kinds of information technology, whether it will be a CCNA, the Cisco certified network administrator, as well as the ethical hacking or kind of different kind of technology. So we move forward towards the networking commands. So the first command is ipconfig, that is the internet protocol configuration. The command focus on the Windows part, and it shows the all the information related with the IP address, with the MAC address, physical address, gateways, routers, all the stuffs. After that, the command is ipconfig/all. It shows all the information related with networking, DHCP address, DNS, MAC address, as well as the different tunnels, protocols, everything it shows in the ipconfig/all. In Linux, we move forwards towards the ifconfig. Ifconfig is same like ipconfig, but it not work in the Linux, so we use ifconfig. If you note the all the commands, you just use ifconfig-a. In Windows, you want to know about the MAC address of all device, only the MAC address, you use the get MAC. That is the command used in the command prompt, get MAC. That shows all the information related with the MAC address associated with particular devices. Okay, so let's know all the commands that we use in Windows as well as Linux. Now the next command is used for the check the connection of particular machine, whether what are the connections are going on, which connection the internet is connected. So we use the ncpa.cpl. Like ncpa.cpl, the full form stands for ncpa, that means network control panel applet, and cpl means control panel. So it shows the complete connection of your system, which connection you gonna connect for using internet. So you use the ncpa.cpl, and that command is very useful because when you use the this thing, so you go to the first your system, then you check it out where is your connection, and you get confused that how we get the proper thing. So we use the shortcuts, that is the ncpa.cpl, to know about the complete information about your connections. So that is very helpful for your connectivity. So you can use the ncpa.cpl for using complete internet connections. Okay, after that the same command, that is like cpl command, and this command is basically for the security purpose. You can use for security as well as you can use complete information about the your uh, access of your different kinds of hardware. So that is the command is firewall.cpl. Firewall.cpl means control panel. Firewall.cpl shows you the firewall, how the firewall works, how it connected. It also shows you the ingoing and outgoing bonds, the inbound and the outbound, where you can use and configure according to your usage, that hackers can't access to your system, and that block particular hacker or unauthorized users. So the firewall.cpl is basically used for the configuring the firewall or accessing the firewall. That is very useful to know. Okay, now the next command, that is very useful command. Basically, that displays you the active connections, ports, the computer's listening, Ethernet statics, and IP routing, as well as it shows you the IP address, whether it is IP version 4 or IP version 6. That command is very useful in every kinds of aspects. That is the netstat command. Netstat means the network statics. It shows all the statics about all the your system, about your connection, everything. That is very useful command. To know the complete the routing of your system and your the outgoing connections, whether it is your server or whether it is any kinds of website, so you can use the trace route command as well as tracert command. Tracert command is basically used in your Windows, and trace route is basically used in your Kali Linux. So this command is very helpful to know about the complete route of your system and your server. And this command generates shows different kinds of hops. Hops means the stopping areas, the stopping nodes. So the hop shows you the whether it does hops it's going to your different server or kind of your ISP. It shows the hops. So this is your tracert command. Now the most common command, as you all know about, this is the basic command. As you all know that that command is very helpful in every aspect. So that command is basically used to check the connection is live or not, and the connection is active or not. And that command is common command, whether it is in Linux as well as in any kind of operating system, Windows, Mac, everything. So that command basically shows you the active connection, there is active or not, the website is active or live or not. So that shows you the ping. That is the ping. It's basically the ping command. So ping commands means you can connect with someone, and it shows the connectivity of particular server or website. And that command is very helpful because this command you can do different kinds of little bit DOS attack also. DOS means denial of service attack, and this command consists of many variables. Like you can use different kinds of options in command, like L, like hyphen T, like hyphen V. You can use this variable or options in your particular command. And that command you can do DOS attack also. How you can DOS attack? With sending multiple requests to particular server or particular website. The website is being down with the help of this attack, and the website is being down. It consists as the DOS attack, and it is also called ping of death, POD. That is called ping of death command also. So let's see how it works. आई होप गाइस आपने सेशन को एंजॉय किया होगा, बहुत कुछ आपने सीखा होगा, नई नई टेक्निक्स ट्रिक्स आपने सीखी होंगी, नई नई नेटवर्किंग कमांड सीखी होंगी। नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम पिंग जैसे पिंग ऑफ डेथ और एडवांस लेवल हैकिंग कमांड्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, यूज़ करेंगे। और आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए, लाइक कीजिए। हम टारगेट करके चल रहे हैं 100 लाइक्स का। आफ्टर 100 लाइक्स हम एक नई सेशन की वीडियो बनाएंगे, वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, all things are gonna practical on different operating system like Kali Linux और पैरेट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और फेडोरा, उबंटू, मिंट, अलग अलग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे अलग अलग नेटवर्किंग कमांड्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। सो गो एंड लाइक आवर वीडियो, टारगेट इज 100 लाइक्स। वी विल मीट यू सून। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।